You're the next door guy, right?
Which makes you the girl next door.
I need a partner for my dance class. If I make you a drink, you come into my room and hustle with me.
If you fix me a drink, I'll come in and clean your bathroom.
So, is this like a date?
You look beautiful.
That's Gloria Graham. Big name in black and white films.
Proper star she was. I recognise that pout. Won an Oscar too.
It's unbelievable. The air is just full of...
Hollywood horse shit.
What kind of a person hangs out in a joint where you're labeled on the lampshade anyway?
Miss Graham, is everything okay?
I spoke to the doctor. He's told me what's wrong with you.
Could you take me to Liverpool? I could get better there.
Gloria, love. You should have given me some warning. I've put the electric blankets on.
Big fans of Gloria, me and your mum.
She's so bloody beautiful. Those movie idol looks don't just wither away.
We never expected Gloria Graham in our kitchen necking a bacon butty.
Peter.
You are all I need.
Bloody heartbreakers, the lot of you. They don't tell you that when your legs are laced up in stirrups.
Say it again, Peter.
Liverpool.
Oh.
Has anyone ever told you look like Lauren Bacall when you smoke?
Yeah, Humphrey Bogart.
Oh.
I didn't like it then either.